Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is Sir the Kabayan Tech. Today is another Tuesday repairs. We're going to do, it's not actually a repair, but it's a backglass replacement that we're going to do. Recently got a back protector mold. This is from M-Triangel. Bought this one from Mobile Centrics. I'm not promoting the store, but that's the store that I usually order it from. So unfortunately, I only got the mold for the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, and I hope I'll be getting the rest of them if they get a restock. So just showing it to you right now. So normally what I do when I take out the back glass of a phone is I use a vinyl tape or similar to this one too. Okay, so what I do is I wrap the edges of the aluminum so that I know there you will say that there are patterns when it comes to the actual software that they are using, but it's not that perfect. The only time that you will know that it hit the aluminum is after the actual back glass replacement or the laser cutting through the glass. What they did is they create their own mold, so all you have to do for this is just put it in here and it's a perfect fit, and then this will prevent the ones that they don't want to be hit, because normally the issues with just using the template and not being careful about it, or if you are really good and you already centered it up, then good for you, it will hit some of the exposed wires or the in-betweens of the case, and that will create some issue. Sometimes the phone won't turn on, or sound issue, or Wi-Fi issue, or compass issue, or other issues that the laser might hit the actual chip. So this is how it looks like if you're going to put it inside. And then for the Plus, so I already have a sample here. If I'm going to do this one, so I'm going to put it here. So this is just a sample one that I have, and then let's try it out. So how does it shows up on your M-Triangel? So what I'm using is an M-Triangel laser. It's a Z1. Okay, so pardon me if the camera is a little bit shaky. I forgot to have my gimbal here. I don't need to load any template anymore. It used to be that you could load the template, the brand here, and then just select the one that you like. So all you have to do is just draw a rectangle and then draw it here. And then for you to have the black one, you have to go onto this option that says fill. I'm going to start with the iPhone 8. So I draw already a box, a black box onto the software. So when I do the red light, okay, so it will show me which one it is covering. So when everything is calibrated, so you might notice that the red laser light is a little bit smaller than what you're expecting it to be. But you can actually move this one on your computer by using the arrow keys. So you might notice that this one is now moving, and so I can center that one out, and then I have to stretch the box a little bit more. Let's see the red light again. Okay, I'm almost seeing that it is almost centered. Okay. Okay. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to do the laser 1500 for the speed, and I'm going to do 95 if I want to do that. I'm going to turn on my 2UFF fume extractor, and then we're going to mark it. So you might notice that the laser is hitting some part of the mold, and then we will see if the molds are effective or not. This is applicable to phones that doesn't have like a bent enclosure. Okay, so if I want to save this one and create my own folder, so I go on File, then Save As. Then what I did is I went into my documents and I created a folder that says iPhone mold templates. And then when I do this, I press this one and then I click on save. So this is the second time that I'm going to do this. That's the reason why it's asking me to replace it. So I'm just going to press yes. If I'm done with marking, then that's it. So the next time that I open this one, I'll just click on, so let me just close this. And then when I go back again, you will see it's listed here already. Or you could go on to just go on open and then go onto your documents. You will see mold templates, select that, and then I have this, and then click on open. Then it will load up the mold template that we have for. And that's it. So I removed this one. This is the actual final product of the iPhone 8. So you might notice that it left the ones that doesn't need to be hit. And that's it, mga kabayan techers. Kindly hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know if we have new fresh contents. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.